Hey guys, how are you? Abhishek here, 20 years old brand and visual designer based in India. So today we will play with clipping mask and create something unique with this in Adobe Photoshop 2023. I am using 2021 because this is my favorite version. And yes, this is not AI based and I love manual work. So first of all, just see, this is a KGF poster, KGF movie poster. This is my favorite one movie, and now I am explaining what is clipping mask. So grabbing my pen tool and just see, grabbing my pen tool and convert it to shape. Now it may be hard to path in your machine or in your laptop, but turn it to shape and just create your dream shape like this. I am just creating random. Literally, I am very bad in that. So what is clipping mask is, just click on this layer and right click and just go to create clipping mask, and when you click on this, the layer marked into that shape cause this is now clipping mask. And the funny thing is, when we uncheck this or unseen this layer, the work is gone totally cause this is the primary or showcase layer, that is the behind layer, or you can say the secondary layer in that. So this is the clipping mask. You can also do this by toggle your cursor between them and press Alt. So you can see the sign in the Photoshop and just left click your mouse and you can see the clipping mask. So this is the clipping mask, and we will create something unique with this poster. So first of all, we need to clear this name of movie cause this is like Kannada language or Tamil Telugu language. I really don't know. So first of all, let me grab my lasso tool and just create a section around this. I want to remove all this part and just right click and fill. By the way, I covered this topic is a different video. Could you see that? Click on the link button and just fill. Now you have to click on content aware with 100% opacity and less. Okay, now you can see this may take some time, obviously. Okay, now press Control plus D and the section is gone. Where you can also go select and deselect Control D. So this is the work is cool. I love manual work. I don't love AI. So now our work is to create something unique with clipping mask. Now I'm copying this layer with pressing Ctrl J and just grabbing my text tool with a unique font pose champion gothic. Wait, and let me write the name of the movie, that is KGF. Could have seen that name? Could have see that movie? Write in the comment section. And you can see the font is seen like this, but I adjusted the font. I converted the font into shape and I just copied that layer into one another. So now I'm also use a technique called masking that is also similar to the clipping mask. So first of all, we have to clip this layer to this. We have to clip this layer to this. The movie poster with the KGF font that is converted into shape right now. Okay, so first of all, we have to press Ctrl and right click to this layer. You can see the selection around the movie poster that is above the layer of the font or the shape you want to select. Now select this layer and just go to mask, and boom, your selection is made and this is clipped. No, this is masked. This is masked. Repeat, this is masked. Now, what is the heck is, I'm turning on this. Okay, I'm turning on this and you can see this. This is the same as the previous one we converted, but at this time, this is literally insane. I love this word. And that is it up, guys. Write your thoughts in the comment section for how this video hits you. Bye bye. Take care.